Turning your outdoor space into an oasis is not a hard and expensive work, and everyone can do it. Repurposing old things is in trend now, and everything that you don't need in your home can be put in the garden and can have a completely different purposes. And can serve you both aesthetically or functionally. Choosing a style to stick to when you decorate is a key to a well decorated space, either indoor or outdoor. Have you ever thought about a particular style for your garden? Rustic decor is one of the easiest design options for any outdoor space and delivers amazing results when you want to give your garden a personal twist. Gardens are a wonderful way to customize your outdoor space and for many, one of the most cherished parts of their home. A great garden takes a lot of time, effort, and even money to maintain, so it's easy to see why someone would want to emphasize their hard work. Your garden doesn't have to be all about the plants. You can spruce up your garden with decor to give it that personalized touch. It all depends upon your creativity. Choosing a theme such as rustic design can help give your garden a unified and beautiful look. You can add rustic garden signs in your garden or can create rustic garden art. Or using vintage washtub, wheelbarrow, and galvanized buckets as unique planter. You can find unusual containers at flea market, thrift stores, or garage sales. Vintage tins and an galvanized bucket are excellent ways to display your plants on your front porch. To enhance the beauty of your rustic garden, you don't need to have so many items in your garden. A little change in arrangement of repurposed items in your outdoor can have a greater impact on the overall look of your garden.